Hey, what's up guys, it's Fisayo here, and this is my unboxing of the Infinix Smart 2. The Smart 2 is sort of Infinix's answer to the Tecno Spark 2, and they have quite some similarities as well, especially that it runs Android 8.1 Go edition. And before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get to the video. When you open the box of the Smart 2, you're first of all greeted with the device and all of the specifications on that front wrap, and we'll be getting to that in a bit. Underneath that, we have the customer service or warranty card, headphones, charging cable, and the standard power adapter, the quick guide, specification manuals, and then the screen protector. Taking the wrap off the front of the device, we have that 18:9 5.5-inch display, which has considerably larger bezels, and on the back you have the serene gold plastic matte looking finish. The Smart 2 comes in 4 different colors, that's the red, blue, black, and the serene gold, which we have right here. On the back of the device you have a 13-megapixel camera with flash and fingerprint reader, and on the bottom you have the Smart branding and the speaker grills. On the front of the device we have the 8-megapixel low light camera with dual flash and the earpiece. There's nothing on the left side of the device, and on the right side is where we have the power button and the volume rockers. The bottom of the phone is where you have the headphone jack, the microphone, and USB 2.0 port. The back of the Smart 2 is removable, and that is where we have the dual SIM slots, which are 4G enabled, and the memory card slot as well. Inside this opening is also where we get to see the attached non-removable 3050 mAh battery. The Smart 2 took less than a minute to set up, and after that boot we're greeted with the 5.5-inch display, which has a lesser screen to body ratio than the Spark, for instance. It's a 720p display and the viewing angles are just okay. Both the Smart 2 and the Smart 2 Pro have an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, and just like I said earlier, the Smart 2 has a 13-megapixel back camera, while the Smart 2 Pro, which we currently don't have here, has a dual camera setup with 13 plus 2 megapixels, both equipped with flash. And I haven't been able to confirm the use of the 2-megapixel camera on the Smart 2 Pro, but I'm guessing it's for portrait mode. The picture quality is also okay on the Smart 2 here, but I didn't have much to explore as far as the camera, and I'll be doing more of that in an upcoming video. A good segue from the camera will be the Face ID or Face Unlock, which comes with the Smart 2. It's easy to set up and it works most times. It's somewhat comparable to a fingerprint unlock, but it's a nice feature to have. The Smart 2 has got 1GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, which is expandable. It has a quad-core processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. And as far as I know, tasks that will require a lot of RAM will be best kept at bay. You also get the same GPU and CPU on the Smart 2 Pro, but the major differentiator as far as specs again is that the Smart 2 Pro is not running Go edition apps, which the Smart 2 currently runs to help optimize for that little RAM size. The Smart 2 is priced at 33,000 naira, while the Smart 2 Pro is priced at 42,000 naira. Essentially, you have a 9,000 naira difference. And what do you think about the Smart 2, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, so you'll be the first to know when I post the new video. Do leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be answering your questions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.